It's day 4, and I hope that you are ready for another 3 multiple choice questions from the May 2011 paper. This is BG Makes Math Easy. We're intentional about making math dimensional. If you are late to the party and this is your first watch with the 3-a-day multiple choice questions, go ahead and look at yesterday's episodes and the 2 before that. Also, check out episode 1 to 20, which was done from last academic year. And let's hit the road. Also, of course, if you are new here, you can subscribe and stay here. Invite your friends to benefit from these as well. Let's not be selfish. And yeah, let me know if these are being helpful for you. All right, so today we're looking at questions 10, 11, and 12 of this paper. And of course, pretty easy. The first one goes, what is the least number of plums that can be shared equally among 6, 9, or 12 children? One of the biggest misconceptions with questions like these is that immediately from persons here least, they think factors. I don't know why, but they think of numbers that are smaller than 6, 9, or 12. Luckily for us, the options here doesn't even have any numbers smaller than those. All right, so once you hear least number of something that can be shared, you're thinking lowest common multiple. So let the word least trigger you to think lowest common multiple. All right, now, if you're looking for the lowest number of plums that can be shared equally among 6, 9, or 12 children, you're looking for a number that 6 can go into, that 9 can also go into, and that 12 can also go into. You're not looking for any random number, you're looking for the smallest number that this happens with. All right, so let's head on over. All right, so let's look at multiples of 6. And the first one, of course, is going to be 6. 12, 18, 24, 30, and you can continue listing factor multiples of 6. With 9, that's going to be 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and so on. All right. For 12, it's going to be 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and so on. You want to start looking, are there any common numbers yet? A 6, 9, and 12 can go into. And you check, there's a 12 here, there's 1 here, but nope, 9 can't go into that. There's 24 here, there's 24 here, but 9 can't go into that. A common one between 6 and 9 is 18, but 12 can't go into that without leaving a remainder. All right, so of course, you know that you need to try checking out some bigger numbers. By the way, if you start to look here, you realize that 27 is definitely, first of all, it's not even a multiple of 6. We can rule that out. 54 isn't even a multiple of 12. We can rule that out. For 36, if we were to extend the multiples of 6 a little more, we gave up a little too early, right? You would have seen that 36 is the first common multiple that they have. And the first common multiple they have is clearly going to be the lowest common multiple. All right, so 6, 9, and 12 can go into 36, and that's the least number of plums that can be shared equally for either 6 children, or 9 children, or 12 children. All right. Now, and there are many other methods of doing LCM, but we don't want to, all right, do too much. This video is a nugget, all right, just a snippet. Number 11, which of the following sets is equivalent to A, B, C, D? And for equivalent sets, 2 sets are equivalent if they have the same number of things, number of elements, number of items in the set. All right, so the set A, B, C, D has how many elements? 4. Which other option, A, B, C, or D? I mean, these. Which other option has 4 sets? Clearly, that 4 elements. Clearly, that is going to be C. All right. And our final question for today, which of the following sets is defined by, all right, so X is a set of integers where the values of X are clearly greater than or equal to -2, and those same values of X are less than or equal to 4. First thing you note is that 2 and 4, -2, sorry, and 4 must be included. Straight up, this wrong, this wrong. Okay, all of these, all others are wrong because -2 and 4 are not included. And just the fact that these signs are used, the bottom part of the symbol here tells you that X is also equal to -2, so it must be included. All right. This would have been correct. C would have been correct if and only if the set, sorry, if and only if the set looks like this. So it would tell you the values should be greater than -2 and less than 4, but it should not be equal to them. That's the only way that C would qualify as the answer. All right, it looks like we're done for today. So our correct answer is D. Let me just make that straight. Yeah, and that is that. This is the end of our 24th episode. Join me tomorrow for our final episode for this week. All right, goodbye from DG Makes Math Easy.